Capture One session versus catalog. Which photo workflow is better? Choosing the right workflow can transform your editing process, boosting efficiency without the hassle of managing complex files. We'll explore the session and catalog options side by side. Capture One offers two main workflows: sessions and catalogs. Sessions organize photos by shoot, keeping everything self-contained, while catalogs centralize your entire photo library for broader management. The core difference lies in how they handle organization and scalability. Sessions in Capture One are designed around individual shoots or projects. Each session holds all files, images, adjustments, and outputs in a dedicated folder structure. This setup keeps your workflow streamlined and portable, ideal for photographers working on distinct assignments. Sessions work by encapsulating everything related to that shoot in one place, making it easy to back up or transfer. Strengths include fast performance since only one session is open at a time, and straightforward file management without a centralized database. However, sessions can become cumbersome if you want to manage a large photo library across multiple shoots, as each session is isolated. This workflow suits professionals who prefer project-based organizations such as wedding or event photographers who need quick access and easy archiving without mixing files. Capture One catalogs provide a centralized database to manage all your photos in one place. Instead of separate folders per shoot, catalogs import images and track edits across your entire collection, enabling powerful search and organization tools. This workflow works by storing metadata and previews in a single catalog file, which references your original images. The strength of catalogs lies in their scalability and flexibility, perfect for photographers with large or varied libraries who need to locate images quickly or apply batch edits. Catalogs also support smart albums and keyword tagging, enhancing efficiency. On the downside, catalogs can slow down when managing very large libraries and require more system resources. This option is ideal for users who prioritize long-term organization and easy access to their entire portfolio, such as commercial photographers or digital asset managers. Sessions excel in focused, shoot-specific workflows, offering speed and simplicity without a complex database. They enable quick backups and easy file transfers but lack centralized organization. Catalogs, conversely, shine when managing extensive photo libraries, providing advanced search and tagging, but at the cost of higher system demands and occasional slowdowns. For example, a wedding photographer shooting multiple events may prefer sessions to keep projects separate and portable. Meanwhile, a commercial photographer with thousands of images spanning years would benefit from Catalog's comprehensive management features. The trade-off is between streamlined, project-based control and robust, large-scale organization. Choosing depends on whether you value portability and simplicity or centralized access and scalability. Choose Capture One sessions if you prioritize fast, shoot-based workflows with easy file management and portability for individual projects or events. Opt for Capture One catalogs if you need powerful organization and quick access across a large, diverse photo library. Catalogs enhance long-term management and searching, making them the best choice for photographers handling extensive portfolios. Select the workflow that fits your style and workflow demands.